Good morning, all of you. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. In this video, we are going to discuss about hybridization, geometry, magnetic moment of COF6 3 minus ion. COF6 3 minus ion. Now I write the IUPAC name of this complex first. Hexafluorido. Negative complex, anionic complex, therefore the central metal ion name end with 8. Cobaltate. Oxidation state 3. Cobaltate, oxidation state 3, ion. Hexafluorido, cobaltate, 3 ion. Now I write the electronic configuration of central metal ion cobalt. Cobalt, atomic number 27. What is electronic configuration? Argon 18, 4s2 20, remaining 7 electron occupy 3d orbital. Argon 18, 20, 27. Now cobalt is in 3 plus oxidation state in the given complex. Cobalt 3 plus means it lost how many electron? 3 electron. So after losing 3 electron, the electronic configuration of cobalt 3 plus is remove 3 electron, 2 from s orbital, 1 from d orbital. 2 from s orbital, 1 from d orbital. 3d 6, 4s0. 3d 6, 4s0. Now fill the electron in 5 orientation of 3d orbital. 3d orbital has 5 orientation. What are they? You know. dxy, dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared, dz squared. The next orbital, s orbital, has only one orientation. So this is your 3d orbital, that is your 4s orbital. How many electrons we have? 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 electrons are in 3d orbital. Now write the nature of ligand. In this complex, the ligand is F minus ion. F minus is a weak field ligand. F minus is a weak field ligand. Therefore, it does not pair. It does not pair unpaired electrons. Does not pair unpaired electron. If strong field ligands are present, for example, CO carbonyl, cyanidocapacity, ethane 1,2 diamine, amine. These strong field ligands are present. The strong field ligand pair unpaired electron. Here we have F minus, which is a weak field ligand only. So no pairing takes place. If no pairing takes place, the electronic configuration of cobalt 3 plus is now the same electronic configuration 3d, 5 orbitals we have xy, yz, zx, x squared minus y squared, z squared. Then we have 4s. No pairing takes place. Therefore, the same electronic configuration 3d and 4s. First orbital containing paired electron, then other orbital containing unpaired electron. Now write the coordination number of Fe3 plus CO3 plus ion in this complex. You know what is meant by coordination number? Coordination number is the number of bonds formed between central metal ion, number of bonds formed between cobalt 3 plus ion and F minus ligand is 6. Therefore, coordination number equal to 6. If coordination number of central metal ion is 6, the central metal ion provide 6 vacant orbitals equal to its coordination number. It must provide 6 vacant orbital. But we have now only one vacant orbital. 3D xy, yz, zx, x squared minus y squared. This is your 4s, one vacant orbital. Next to 4s, 4p, 3 vacant orbital. Then you take 4d, d orbital has 5 orientation, xy, yz, zx, x squared minus y squared. What are the orbitals? These are, first one is 3d, next one is 4s, 4p, last one is 4d. Already the 3d orbitals filled with 4 unpaired electrons. Now vacant orbital start with 4s. How many fluorido F minus ligand we have? 6. Therefore, F minus started to share a pair of electron with the vacant orbital 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only we have 6 F minus ion. All F minus ion share one pair of electron with the vacant d orbital of the central metal ion. Now write the hybridization starting from 4s, because electrons are started to share from 4s. S orbital, only one s orbital involved in hybridization, 3p orbital involved in hybridization, 2d orbital sp3d2. If the hybridization is sp3d2, the geometry is octahedral geometry. There is no doubt in it. Octahedral geometry. And one more point we have to write here. Which orbital involved in hybridization? 4d orbital involved in hybridization. If the orbital is 4d, the complex is called outer orbital complex. In the previous example, 3d orbitals are involved, therefore it is called inner orbital complex. So here outer orbital, outer 4d, that means nd orbitals, 2 orbitals involved in hybridization. Therefore, this complex is called outer orbital complex, outer orbital complex or high spin complex, high spin complex or spin free complex, spin free complex, spin free complexes. 3 names we can give because outer d orbitals are involved. Therefore, it is called outer orbital complex or high spin complex or spin free complex. Now, we are going to write the magnetic properties by considering number of unpaired electron. Here you see number of unpaired electron 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of unpaired electron in cobalt 3 plus is 4 unpaired electron. Now I write the magnetic properties, and also we have to calculate magnetic moment. Magnetic properties. Magnetic properties. To write magnetic properties, whether it is paramagnetic or diamagnetic, first of all we should know number of unpaired electrons present in the complex. Number of unpaired electrons. N value equal to 4. Number of unpaired electron is 4. Therefore, the complex is first paramagnetic in nature. The complex is paramagnetic in nature. We can calculate now magnetic moment. Which type of magnetic moment? Spin only magnetic moment. Spin only magnetic moment. Formula mu s equal to root of n end n plus 2. Unit of magnetic moment is Bohr magneton. Instead of using Bm, we can also use mu b. Mu b. This is also Bohr magneton. We know number of unpaired electron equal to 4. So when you substitute 4 into 4 plus 2 equal to 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 6 into 4 are 24. Root 24. Root 24 equal to 4.899 Bohr magneton. If you have 4 unpaired electron, the answer start with 4. 5 unpaired electron, the answer start with 5. 1 unpaired electron, the answer start with 1. Now, we are going to see the structure of octahedral geometry of cobalt complex. The central metal ion cobalt, it is at the center. Octahedral, first we have to draw square. In each corner, one ligand is present. Join all the corner, one bond, first bond, second bond, third bond and fourth bond, above the plane, below the plane. This is octahedral geometry. What is our ligand? Fluorido. How many? 6. 1 F, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 fluorido. The charge on the complex is 3 minus. Hexa fluorido cobaltate 3 minus ion. 3 minus hexa fluorido cobaltate 3 minus ion. So this is the hybridization geometry magnetic moment of COF6 3 minus. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.